Let's look at the second half of this problem. It says how much material will be needed to make 9 pair. Well, 1 pair takes 3 4/7 yards of material. If we look back at my diagram here, this segment representing 3 4/7, we would need 9 of these segments strung out together to represent what 9 3 4/7 measurements was. So one way to do this is to add 9 of these guys and add them all up. That could take some work, or we can use a shortcut. We can take 3 4/7 and equivalently adding 9 of those quantities. Repeated addition can be thought of as multiplication. So this actually has the same value as 9 times 3 4/7. So 9 times 3 4/7 is what this problem has been reduced to. So again, 9 times this is really 9 of those added together. So we can do that on the calculator. Let's do that. So we have 9 times the quantity 3 4/7. So again, that 9 pair, each pair of shorts is 3 4/7 yards. We need exactly that much material. So that's 32 yards, whole yards, and then a fractional piece of another. Well, one way to help us is to think of this and rewrite this as a fraction. And we do have a fraction feature on our calculator. It's under math, so I'm going to hit math. And number 1 here, I'm going to hit enter. That will come up on your screen. If you hit enter again, it'll change that 32 and whatever that is, fractional piece, into a fraction, which is 225 over 7. So that's 225 over 7 yards. But we'd like to convert that into a mixed number with a fractional remainder or a fractional piece left over. So the idea is really find out how many 7s fit into 225 or do the division longhand. But if we cheat and go back to our calculator, we at least know 32 7s fit into 225. So 32 times 7 will give me 224. And so 7 32s fit into 225 with 1 left over, and that equates to 1/7. So 32 1/7 yards is what's needed here to make 9 pair. Again, each pair taking that much, and so 9 of those we would need that many yards.